Then there was trouble. As Gordon approached the news station, neither the driver nor fireman could apply his brakes. Something had jammed. The driver reduced steam, but Gordon was still going too fast. Help me, please. Well, Gordon, said the Topham Hatt, I knew you wanted a panoramic view, but this is not the way to achievement. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. When Gordon was repaired again, he took the Topham Hatt to the news station for its second official opening.